Hi, I'm Skyler Gorsett. I'm a Sioux City native born and raised, and I work as the social media and digital content coordinator at CMBA Architects. In addition to my role as CMBA, I also serve as the vice president of the Sioux City Tabletop Gamers, a 501c3 nonprofit organization that hosts 2 Geek Conventions a year. Our recent spring convention saw a tremendous growth of over 1,500 attendees from over a dozen states. We were able to bring some special guests as well as create an immersive, family-friendly event with all sorts of activities, games, and panels for our attendees to participate in. On top of that, I actively run my own podcast, Session Zero Heroes, where we explore various tabletop role-playing games through humor, fun, and storytelling. And together with my team, we've created a thriving show with a growing following. We've had the opportunity to work alongside other shows and creators online, and even hosted a live panel at our Spring Geek Convention. There's a lot to love about Siouxland. One of my favorite aspects being the amazing creatives that make our community so vibrant and unique. Within our community, we have a wealth of photographers, videographers, artists, musicians, all working within practically every aspect of their fields. And it's truly inspirational to see the amazing work these creators are developing and the benefits it has to allow our community to thrive. Through my work at CMBA Architects, I use my creativity to develop marketing materials that support and benefit our team, as well as creating our in-house podcast, Laying the Foundation, to share how we do what we do to create projects. These projects, which include designing schools, healthcare facilities, and other essential buildings in creative and innovative ways that not only serve the Siouxland community, but also benefit the lives of those who will use those facilities and spaces. With the Sioux City Geek Cons, we promote the creativity of the incredible artists within our community, including those that have worked within comics and graphic novels, or have made their own games, or use their art to make a living. By promoting these individuals, we create an environment where they can feel secure within their craft so that they can continue to offer these amazing talents and services to our community. Through my podcast, I'm joining the gaming community to make content that showcases the creativity and talent of Siouxland and its residents through the art of storytelling. I believe in the power of collaboration, support, and creativity. When we as a community come together to build, create, and support each other's initiatives, we will see returns on those initiatives in the form of community growth. Whether it's through attending our local events, engaging with content that our local creators are putting out, or making content ourselves, or even simply just spreading the word of the incredible initiatives that our community is involved with, your support helps us to continue to build a stronger and more vibrant Siouxland. Thank you so much for considering me for Siouxland's 10 Under 40. I'm excited about the future of the community and I'm committed to making a positive impact. So let's keep developing Siouxland through our creative initiatives and see how much it helps us grow.